What it do, YouTube? What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to everybody that's watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day, man. Today, got a few things I might be doing today, man. Right now, I'm on my way to grab some food, man. I've been kind of craving some shit I don't even fucking like to eat, which is In-N-Out Burger. So the In-N-Out Burger by my house was super fucking packed. Like, it was so packed till we was on the street. So I said, fuck that. I'm gonna come to another area. Hopefully this line is not as bad. It don't look as bad from across from I can see. And I don't even like fucking In-N-Out Burger, but In-N-Out right now I'm just like kind of craving it. Haven't ate it in like a minute though, so I'm gonna try to go grab me some of that. Anyways, I want to give a shout out to everybody, man, that's been supporting the channel, holding the channel down. Thank you guys so much. Without you guys, none of this is possible. And what I mean by that is just the channel growth, the views and everything like that, subscriber numbers going up. So I do appreciate every one of you guys for holding it down, for rocking with me. But today, yeah, like I said, I don't have that much stuff to do today. Today, I am selling my rotors to one of you guys. You guys know who you are, man. Hit me up on the channel. Appreciate it, man, because yeah, the only thing is I was kind of disappointed because there goes a Type R right here. Woo-wee. Okay Type R right there. But anyways, I was a little bit disappointed just because of the rotors that I did buy that you guys seen in my previous video. Didn't fit for my model. It fitted for like the 2003s and 2005s, so like in between. So for my year, it just didn't work out, you know what I'm saying? So I basically just bought that shit for no reason. And, but I'm going to get rid of it because I don't need it right now. So I'm about to sell those, and then other than that, I don't know what the day gonna bring us. I am kind of thinking about it. I am kind of curious to say shit. I want to drive all the way to another city, whatever. Last time I drove over there by accident was last week. That had a GTR, a special GTR. So, and it was a blue one. I didn't even go inside. I didn't really look at it too much. But I'm like, should I look at it? But I don't know. So, definitely might check this out though, you know what I'm saying, and see what's up. I don't know, I don't really know, man. Like I said, today it's 2, okay, y'all can't really see, it's 2:30, but basically 2:40 p.m. I gotta meet up with the homie at 6 p.m. so I'm trying to figure it out. Do I just want to go out that way, just go to dealership and check out that GTR? That GTR was fucking amazing. I never seen a blue like that color as far as the GTR goes. So I don't know what the day gonna lead me to, but just stay tuned and let's see what this video becomes, because I really don't know. I'm just vlogging as we go, and hopefully everything works out. But like I said, man, I gotta go get some food, man. I am starving. Let's get this day popping. It sounds so insane in this car. Oh my god, the video do no justice, I swear to God. The crackles are so insane in the back of my car. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh my God. Alright, so now I'm on my way. Chilled a little bit at the crib, had to rest a little bit. Now I'm on the way to meet the homie, man. About to sell these rotors, and eventually give me some other rotors that will fit for my model, my year, my car. And if you guys hear like a lot of noise and shit, it's because the metal in the back. There's a few little items I got in the back of my trunk that I still never took out, that rattles all the time. So that's what you hear, because this car is completely gutted out. I'm gonna actually show you guys on my way back home, or before I go back home, probably how it looks. It's just completely gutted out. There's nothing in the back, as you guys can see. I'm being lazy with the door, but I'm gonna get this door taken care of sometime this week coming up, so that way I can look like, you know, like that. But I'm not gonna lie, I kind of do like it's just like a race car feeling when you're in this car. I mean, you hear the noise, you know what I'm saying? No doors, but I can't do the no doors for it just makes me feel like I'm in a race car of my own, which I am, you know what I'm saying? But we're almost there, and I might hit up Nissan, because that Nissan got like this blue GTR that's amazing. I never seen that color in person, and last time I was there, I just stopped in the parking lot to do something, to write some down on some paper, but I looked inside and they had a nice GTR in there. I don't know if it's still there, but hopefully it's still there. Since I'm already in the area, I might as well just stop by and see how that one looks. But let's see how the day goes. As you guys can see, I got all the rotors right there ready for the sale. And yeah, about to get this day going, y'all. And this shit is doing a lot of crackles in the back. Oh shit. That shit clean, boy. That thing is nice. That's a clean ass Z right there. That thing is beautiful. That shit. Hey, matter of fact, I'm gonna turn my camera. Clean. That shit wet, man. That shit go hard, man. Woo! Alright, bro. Alright, man. That's the homie, man. The homie right there. His shit is clean as fuck. Nice red Z, boy. So I sold him the rotors that was supposed to be on my car, but since it didn't fit on my model, he got the perfect gear for the rotors to fit on. So back to square one, you guys. And yeah, this car looking amazing, man. It's extremely dirty on camera, you don't see, but look how dirty this thing is. This whole car is dirty. But man, I'm loving this car, man. I'm not gonna lie. All right, to all my Z owners, man, I'm not gonna lie, driving this Z is so amazing. And I just talked to the homie too. He did bring this up. The 400Z, I don't know, man. I don't know if I should do it, but the 400Z looks so fucking dope from the images I just seen. Let me know what y'all think. The 400Z. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a dope car to participate, for me to even try to make attempt to get. I don't know, no. I'm probably just gonna stick to my GTR. No, fuck it. We're gonna stick to my GTR. But the 400 is a bad fucking car. I probably have to put that in my collection somehow, some way, somehow. But anyways, yeah, the car is looking good though. As you guys can see, looks good. Still got to do the wheels. Got to get that taken care of. So a few things I got to do with this car. It really needs to be clean. The car needs to be clean. But other than that, it's going well. It's going good. Tomorrow, what I'm going to do is tomorrow we're going to be getting the whole front of my bumper carbon fiber. So with that being said, when I get the carbon fiber, it's basically, because if I got real carbon fiber on a bumper, or we're going to replace the bumper for a real carbon fiber, anything could damage it, from rocks to whatever. So any carbon fiber, me personally, from knowing about carbon fiber and having friends with carbon fiber parts, anything in the front of the car with carbon fiber has a big chance of not lasting long, and then you'll be so disappointed if you got to replace it, especially if you don't have that much money. You're not a breadwinner, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't got that much money, so I'm not. But anyways, so like I said, we're about to get the front carbon. So yeah, so this whole front will be carbon fiber, and when I go to tomorrow, matter of fact, so this whole front lip is going to be carbon fiber, and I'm going to really actually do it this time. I'm going to just paint the splitter to make it more nicer. The homie even said, like, in person, the splitter actually makes the car look so much nicer too. So definitely gonna paint that up, make it nice. But the whole front bumper, like I said, is gonna be carbon fiber wrap, and it damn near matches the real carbon fiber of the spoiler. And like I said, you guys can buy these on eBay. The homie was just asking me, he said, how much you get these for? I didn't even know they was real or fake, but got those off of eBay. You can just look it up online, you'll find some. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna make a video before I leave this location. That's gonna be tomorrow's video, but today's video, I'm gonna just knock this out. I thank you guys so much for showing me love, support, everything like that. Thank you guys, because without you guys, none of this is possible. You guys are allowing me to live my dreams, and we're gonna do this shit full time, being a YouTuber full time. You know what I'm saying? We gotta make dope content every day. But like I said, without you guys, none of this is possible. You guys keep me hungry to keep going and going and going. And there's so much more I want to do, so much more I want to bring to a channel, so many things I want to do, and you guys gonna all be here on the journey with me. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Share this channel with your friends. Share this channel with whoever that you know like cars or just like to be entertained by somebody like me, because you know I'm hella funny. But anyways, hope you guys have a blessed day. We are out straight.